Bring it here. Take it away. Or is it take it here, bring it away? Which is it? Keep watching and find out. Okay, guys. Verbs. Take versus bring. Let's get started. What is the difference between the verb take and the verb bring? And when should you use them? Well, let me ask you a question. Which sentence do you think is correct? I'm going to take a book to my favorite coffee shop. I'm going to bring a book to my favorite coffee shop. Well, I will give you the answer at the end of the video, so you will have some time to think about it. Keep watching until the end. But first, remember this rule. Bring implies movement toward the speaker, while take implies movement away from the speaker. Keep that in mind. Very important. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, thanks so much. Back to the video. Okay, don't say, will you bring your laptop with you when you go on vacation? Why? Pay attention to the following information in the question. Will you bring your laptop with you when you go on vacation? Focus on when you go on vacation. The person asking the question did not say, when we go on vacation. Therefore, it is most likely that the person asking the question is not going on vacation. Okay? So when using the verb bring, the object that is carried must move toward the speaker. For example, please bring me some cream and sugar. Imagine you are in a coffee shop or a restaurant and you are drinking coffee or tea, and the waiter comes to your table and you say, excuse me, please bring me some cream and sugar. That means the object that is carried toward the speaker. Please bring me some cream and sugar. Don't say, will you bring your laptop with you when you go on vacation? Say instead, will you take your laptop with you when you go on vacation? Okay, why? Well, when using the verb take, the object that is carried must move away from the speaker. Okay, so bring is toward the speaker, take is away from the speaker. So in this example, since the speaker is not going on vacation, the laptop will be moved away from the speaker. When you are deciding whether to use take or bring, always think about point of view and location. Okay, what is point of view? Point of view is the position from which something or someone is observed. Think about your point of view. Well, for me, it's from my eyes. I see and observe things and people. This is my point of view. Your point of view is you see me right now, right? Your point of view is toward me. My point of view is toward you. Understand? So point of view is important when we are using bring and take. And here, position means location, the point of view, the location of the person, the speaker. For example, take the TV through the front door, up the stairs, and into the bedroom. So, here the object that is moved is away from the speaker, right? If I want the TV to come to me, I would say, bring me the TV. But I want the TV to move away and go into my bedroom. So I will say, take the TV away. Another example, Sam will be home in a half hour. So 30 minutes. Why? Well, she needed to take some books back to the library. Why take? Well, the point of view is me. I'm talking about Sam. And the books are moving from me away to the library. So, take is correct. Understand? Another example. Let's change the point of view from me to the librarian in the library. This is the librarian calling. Can you tell me when you will bring back the 3 overdue books? So, where is the librarian? Well, she's in the library. So the point of view is the librarian. And now the books are coming to the library from my location, my point of view. So, toward, the books are moving toward the library, away from me. So, bring, because the point of view is the librarian. The librarian wants to have the books brought to her. Remember, bring implies movement toward the speaker, while take implies movement away from the speaker. If you remember this, you will usually use bring and take correctly. So, also remember these common phrases, right? Bring it here, take it away. Bring it here, take it away. Bring me a coffee, please. Take my coffee away, please. Okay? So, which sentence is correct? From the beginning. I'm going to take a book to my favorite coffee shop. I'm going to bring a book to my favorite coffee shop. What do you think? Which one is correct? Take or bring? Take a guess. Okay. Take is correct. I'm going to take a book to my favorite coffee shop. Well, why is this correct? Because the destination of the book is not me. It's a coffee shop. So the book is going to move to a coffee shop, not towards me. So the coffee shop is a place I currently am not. Okay? I'm in my home. My plan is to go to the coffee shop with a book. So because the destination of the book is a coffee shop, a place I am currently not in, then I can only take the book there. I cannot bring the book there. Okay? Because bring towards me, take away from me. What is away from me? The coffee shop. Okay, guys, now it's your turn. I will give 5 examples. You tell me if the verb bring or take is correct or incorrect. Write your answers in the comments section below and your ideas for future videos. Okay, number 1. Have you finished your coffee? May I take your cup away? Correct or incorrect? Remember, where is the cup going? And what is the point of view? Number 2. It's cold at the beach today. I should have taken a sweater with me. Number 3. Why did Lisa bring Brett to our party tonight? No one here likes him. Poor Brett. Number 4. Are you bringing your wife to the dinner at the Smiths on Friday night? And number 5. I'm all finished with my plate. You can bring it away. Thanks. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Also, share this video with a friend or post it on social media so other people can find it. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes verbs simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.